In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find code changes and fix errors in your Shopify theme, specifically designed for those of you who aren't developers. It's a straightforward process, so let's get started and demystify how you can manage your Shopify theme effectively without any coding expertise. First off, you'll want to begin by accessing your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, look at the left-hand panel and find the option labeled Online Store. You'll want to give that a click. This is your gateway to everything related to your store's visual and functional appearance, making it a crucial area for managing your theme settings and configurations. Once you've clicked on Online Store, you'll see a section displaying your current theme. Find the three dots icon associated with this theme. Clicking on these dots will reveal additional options, and here you'll find the Edit Code option. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to delve into the back end of your theme without needing to write code from scratch. Now that you're in the theme code editor, you'll be presented with a list of files that comprise your theme on the left. If you already know which file contains errors or recent changes, go ahead and click on it. If not, sometimes just browsing through the file names can jog your memory or give you a clue about where the issue might lie. Once you've opened the intended file, turn your attention to the left panel once more. Here, you'll find a section called Timeline. This feature is there to help you track changes and actions performed on this file. It's incredibly useful for pinpointing exactly what edits have been made, especially if you're trying to trace back steps to find where something might have gone wrong. Click on a specific change within the timeline. Doing so will present you with a comparison view. You'll be able to see side-by-side differences between the current version of the file and the selected change from the timeline. This visual comparison is invaluable. It allows you to easily identify what has been altered, helping you to restore previous versions of the code if needed, or confirm the changes you've made. And that's pretty much all there is to it. By following these steps, you've taken a proactive approach to managing your Shopify theme's code, ensuring you're able to identify changes and rectify errors without needing to dive into complex development territories. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you familiarize yourself with the theme editor, the more comfortable you'll become with navigating Shopify's back-end systems. So, try this process out next time you need to manage those theme code changes, and you'll find yourself growing more confident in handling these tasks independently.